Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to discuss about how we can create an Angular application by using ng command. Okay, first of all, what prerequisites are required? Just check it. Let me open the official website of my Angular. Now come here. This is my angular.io is my official website for Angular. Just open this. Okay, first of all, before that, okay, let me open this. Okay, it's opening. Okay, first check in your mission, ng command is there or not, ng command is running or not. Just check it. How you can check, open your command prompt, just type ng, just type ng. Okay, this command is available or not available. If this command is not available, you have to do one thing. Okay, let's get started. Okay, get started. Setup, click on this one. Okay, I already told you, if ng command is not there, okay, ng command is not there, okay, available commands, okay, like this it's going to come. If it is not there, it gives me an error like what, ng is not found as an external or internal command. In my mission, ng is there, so that you can get like this, okay. If ng is not there, what you have to do, you should have to run this command first. Okay, if ng is not there, ng is not available, okay, then run this command. Okay, perfect. Once you ran it, after that, by using ng, we can create our Angular application. How you can create, just you can run wherever you want me to create your Angular application. Just run this command. Okay, open workspace folder. In this folder, I want to create our Angular application. Okay, open workspace folder. Open command prompt in workspace folder. Directly can write command prompt in workspace folder. Once you open the command prompt, there itself, just run this command. ng already there. I want to create a new application. Your application name, my Angular app. Like this, you can run it. If you run this command, what happened, in which workspace folder you are running this command, in that folder it creates one folder whose name is like this. Create one folder, create my Angular app folder, and place some default structure. Okay, place some files and folders. That code we can say like a boilerplate code or default structure of Angular application, like that. To run this command in your command prompt, it may take like 2 to 3 minutes. So I don't want to wait that much time. I already run this command on my desktop, so that on my desktop it creates one application. See here, my Angular app. If you run this command, you can get this skeleton. Let me open this skeleton in my Visual Studio Code. File, open folder, my Angular app. This is my folder. Okay, this is the skeleton. You can get it. Just wait, it's loading. Still it's not loaded. Yeah, it's loaded. Okay, this is my default code. You can say default boilerplate code to run your Angular application. If you want to write some extra things, there is no need to touch all these things. Just write your code inside my app folder. Okay, now inside my package.json, it's an important one. This is my package.json. Inside this package.json, see here, there has some dependencies or there, and dev dependencies are there. These dependencies and dev dependencies are used for to run your application, Angular application. These dependencies, if you observe here, dependency name and version. These dependencies somewhere has to download in your application or not. Okay, where it's downloaded means in your node modules folder it was downloaded. Okay, here you can find all your Angular related, whatever the dependencies and dev dependencies contains the properties, all your libraries. Okay, property here, this is the object, this is the property, but this property is like a library and its version. Those libraries are loaded and placed into your node modules one. Now if you want to run this application, see here there has some commands or there is a script. Okay, start command, build command, test, link to E2E like this. We'll talk about all these things. First, let me talk about the start. Okay, if you want to start your application, we have to use this command, ng service the command. ng service the command. So that directly you can use ng serve or npm start also you can use it. If you use npm start internally, it's running like ng serve only. So just open your command prompt here. Okay, terminal is nothing but a command prompt. Okay, here you can run like a ng serve command, ng serve. Okay, once you run this command, you can see your application output in your local machine by using 4200 port number. It's take like 1 minute like that. Okay, 1 minute or 30 seconds like this. I don't want to wait. I already ran this. Okay, see this. I ran ng serve command where in my Angular app on my desktop. I already ran it. Okay, once you ran, say this, it's compiled successfully done. So how we can see my output means by running, okay, by running this localhost 4200 URL in your browser. So that can we run this one? Can we run this one? See here. Okay, localhost 4200. See this. Okay, this is my application. Okay, default page is like this only. If you want to check really it's my default page, if you get some confused, do one thing. So in my browser there has one file is going to load, that is like index.html from HTML side. So this is the file is going to load. In this file, inside the body, whatever the content you written, that is only visible to the end user or not. So you written app root is the content. This app root, if you observe here, it's not your own W3 element. It's like a user defined element or not. In your Angular user defined elements, we can see like a component. So one of the component name is like a app root. Just check it. Which component name, which component selector is like app root means if you come here in my app component.ts, okay, app component.ts, this particular component selector is like app root or not. So my app component, whatever it contains, that content is going to load inside my index.html or not. Okay, simple. I'm telling. Okay, so that which content is there in my app component means, see, in my app component it's enclosed with app.component.html. So that this is my content. Okay, this much content I don't want. Just simply you can write like for our understanding. Okay, hello Sachin. Yeah, done. This is the content is going to load inside my container, inside my index.html or not. Now if you come here, okay, can I refresh my page? Okay, see here. This is the one. I can close it. Okay, this is the one. Now see, it is compiled successful, and come here. Now see my hello Sachin printed or not. This is the way you can create your Angular application and run that application. How you can run? Which command is there? To run your application in your command prompt. Just okay, type ng serve, and then click on enter. Okay, then it is going to run in your local machine. You can see your output in your local machine by using this particular URL. 4200 is the default URL. That's it. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.